Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a signature in Microsoft Word. You actually have two simple ways to add a signature in Word. The first one is inserting a signature line. This is the official built-in feature for documents that needs to be digitally signed. The second one is inserting a handwritten signature. You can either add a picture of your signature or you want to draw it manually. In this tutorial, I'll show you both methods step by step. So head over to Microsoft Word and open the file that you would like to add the signature on. So click on the exact spot where you want the signature to appear. Usually, there's a signature field right here. But if you don't have a signature field, I can show you a manual way to add one. So go to the Insert tab and find the text section. Click on Signature Line. There will now be a panel for a signature setup. You can put your full name, the title of your job, and your email address. For example, Bill Manager. Then click on OK. And there we go. We now have a manually made signature line. If you want to manually draw your signature because you don't have a photo of one, you can go to the Draw tab and click on either the pen or the pencil. Let's use the pen. Let's say my name is... There we go. So once you've drawn your signature, click on the cursor icon. Click on your signature. In this part, you can resize and move it to the correct position. It's either on the signature field that the document already had or on your manual signature field. Now, if you already have a photo or scanned image of your signature, go to the Insert tab again and click on Pictures. Choose this device. Then go ahead and add your signature. Make sure to resize it. Then adjust the layout. We would change from in line with text to in front of text. Here, we can now drag our signature to the correct position on the manual signature line that you made or on the existing signature line field. So this method usually gives the cleanest results since it keeps your natural handwriting. Lastly, exporting your document after adding a signature. So when everything looks correct, go to the File tab and click on Export. We can now export our file as a PDF. Once you've exported your PDF file, go ahead and open it so we can check if the signature is correctly placed in the right position. As you can see here, the signature will stay exactly where you placed it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.